Okay, I'm gonna be left-handed. So here's our head. Let's start like this. We're going to give it a head like this. Okay, so let's do a tap at the head. Okay, same shape. Oh, this way. Oh yeah, good, great. Okay, let's give it some here. Oops. Stick up the top of its head. Okay. Yeah, all the way. Good, and then stick it straight up. Good, awesome. Okay, now we're gonna give it a beak. This way and that way. So it's like a V. Okay, now you give it a beak. Great, okay. And I'm gonna give it some dots for its nose. Strike, strike. Strike. Oops, careful. Strike. Here's our fancy dots. Okay, now we're gonna give it eyes. Small movement. Okay, circles, fine. You're gonna fix that dot to be an eye. Awesome. Okay. Now we're gonna give it a small body. This is a real cartoon bird. With the tail end. Okay, go out, up, and then come back. Great. Okay. Now let's give it some wings. Give it a wing. Great. Okay, now we're going to give it a leg. I can see you're getting ready to do your own. See these little legs, little feet. Okay, let's draw some feet. Good. Great. Okay, nice. That was pretty good for your first time. I didn't really tell you I was doing well either, so that wasn't too helpful. So there's our model, and then there's her result.
Oh, very good.
Pretty good. Show the camera. Okay. Now we're gonna do your own bird. The best you can. And if I need to motor model something, I will. I'll have you cover the top. So just have some fun, and you don't have to do exactly what we just did. I was basically trying to train your hands how to follow it, and then now what I'm interested in is just that you create something that can tell us a bird. So I want you to use your own brain to come up with something. But you are welcome to use what you just learned to make a bird. Okay, so controlled. Okay, cute. Here's a real cartoon bird, okay. I like that. I see it. The wing there, okay. Legs. Legs. Cute. Okay. Beak and a nose. Cute, huh?
Yeah.